Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So before anything else, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated to our upcoming videos. So thank you so much in advance. By the way, can you hear me well? Can you see me too? All right, that's perfect. So I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Arjel B. Tano, a BS Ed Math 4 student of Cebu Technological University Tuburan Campus. So today we will be talking about probability. So let's define what is probability. So probability is a number that reflects the chance or likelihood that a particular event will occur. So probability can be expressed in fractions or in percentage or in decimal. So formula in finding the probability of an event. The probability of an event is the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of possible outcomes. So this is how it looks like. So probability of an event equals number of favorable outcomes over total number of possible outcomes. So let's have an example. So rolling a dice. What is the probability of rolling an even number? So even numbers. What are even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So that those are even numbers. So let's use the given formula, which is probability of an event equals number of favorable outcomes over total number of possible outcomes. So this is the sample space of a dice. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a dice has 6 faces. So this, the color white is the odd numbers. So we will not use this one because these are odd numbers. So the question is, what is the probability of ruling an even number? So the even numbers are 2, 4, and 6. So let's count how many um, even numbers. So 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 even numbers. So our number of favorable outcomes is 3. So total number of possible outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the probability of an even number is 3 over 6 or 1/2. So let's proceed. So this problem is the problem that gives us confusion because the answer to this problem is, I think, for me, the answer to this problem is wala siya sa given choices. So my answer to this problem is 3/5. So let's read. A stick is drawn at random from a box containing 4 red sticks, 3 white sticks, and 3 blue sticks. So find the probability that the ball is not red. So just don't mind the word ball. So my answer to this is 3/5. But the answer key to this problem is the answer is 5/9. So let's check. So this is the answer key. So 3/5 is not in the given choices. So letter A, 4/9, letter B, 5/9, letter C, 1/3, and letter D, 2/3. And the answer is letter B, which is 5/9. So my answer to this is 3/5. That's why Miss Cha asked me to do a video to prove my answer, and give or support it with theorems. But I didn't, or wala ko kita og mga theorems. So what I did was I nag-search ako sa Google kung kuan to support my answer. So tara ako mga napalgan. So I found out that complement event dito siya nga problem. Para nako sad complement event to siya. So the complement of an event is the event not occurring. The probability that event A will not occur is denoted by P of A complement. So let's remember this important um, keynotes about probability. So the sum of the probabilities of all outcomes must equal to 1. So let's have an example. A stick is drawn at random from a box containing 4 red sticks, 3 white sticks, and 3 blue sticks. So find the probability that the stick is red, white, and blue. So gigamit ito na ko siya nga example. Ako ang giusab ang iyahang kanang brag question. So find the probability that the stick is red, white, and blue na. So the probability of red equals 4/10 because we have 4 red sticks here and the total number of possible outcomes is 10. So 4 plus 3 plus 3 equals 10. So the probability that the stick is red is 4/10. And the probability that the stick is white is 3/10 because we have 3 sticks. And the probability that the stick is blue is also 3/10. So and it says here that the sum of the probabilities of all outcomes must equal to 1. So let's add these possible outcomes. So sum of all outcomes 4/10 plus 3/10 plus 3/10 equals 10/10 or 1. So it means that it is correct because as we can see, ni-equal siya og 1. So nasa siya lain nga note, important note sa tara siya. The probability that an event does not occur is 1 minus the probability that the event does occur. So mo ni siya ang formula. P of A complement equals 1 minus P of A. So let's use this formula sa example nga problem. So kani siya nga problem o ni siya kato sa ato ang reviewer. So a stick is drawn at random from a box containing 4 red sticks, 3 white sticks, and 3 blue sticks. Find the probability that the stick is not red. So P of red complement is still missing, and P of or probability of red also. So let's find the probability of red. Excuse me. So the probability that the stick is red equals 4/10 or 2/5. So as we can see, we have 4 red sticks here and the total possible outcomes is 10. 4 plus 3 plus 3 equals 10 or 4/5 or 4/10 or 2/5. So now, since we have the value of the probability that the stick is red, so we will just substitute it to the formula. So 1 minus 2/5 rather equals 5 minus 2/5. So it is equal to 3/5. So by using the given formula, ang answer nako is ni coincide sa siya diri. So 3/5 siya. But since niingon si Miss Cha nga papangitaan siya og mga theorems, so mao lagi to wala jud ko kakita, mo to nag-search ako about ani to support my answer. So mao ni siya ako mga nakit-an sad. Nangita ko mga examples nga puparihas ato niya nga problem. So the complement rule. The complement of an event, the complement A of the event A consists of all elements of the sample space that are not in A. So determining complements of an event. Let us refer back to the experiment of throwing one die. As you know, the sample space of a fair die is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we define the event A as observing an odd number, then A is 135 because ang odd number ani nga sample space kay 1, 3 ug 5 ra. So the complement of A will be all the elements of the sample space that are not in A. So ang complement kuno nga complement of A is ang tanan nga sample space nga wala sa A. So unsa may wala sa A, which is 2, 4 and 6, the even numbers. So kung gamitan sa nato siya og formula nga katong P of A complement equals 1 minus P of A is ang mogawas ani kani rasad sila. So sa diri igo ra nila niya gi pick up ang wala sa A. Okay? So napasad tayo laing ng example. So a ball is drawn at random from a box containing 3 red balls, 4 white balls, and 5 blue balls. What is the probability that it is not blue? So susama ra gyapon siya ato nga problem. So ang iyang gibuhat is gi-add niya ang 3 red balls and 4 white balls. Wala niya gi-appeal ang 5 blue balls. Kaya ang question, what is the probability that it is not blue? So wala ilabot ang 5 blue balls. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. Then over the all possible outcomes, so 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 12. So the answer is 7 over 12. So kuan gihapon kanang murag dili gihapon ko kontento kaayo kung sakto ba gyud siya, kung nakasupport na ba gyud to siya. So ang akong gibuhat is nangutana ko og mga teachers nga math major sad nga nag-teach na sa DepEd. So si teacher 1 niingon siya sa number 9, 6 over 10 or 3/5. Narong na ang given kay over 9 raman. Supposedly kanang last color is 2. Unya 3 man iyang gibutang. So niingon si teacher 1 nga base na typo ra ang nag-encode. Yang answer sad is 3/5. So same me. Then si teacher 2 niingon sad siya nga 3/5 yun na dong. Tuguro ang white or blue baka ana dong. Nalibat ang nag-type 3 gibutang haha. So same sila answer ni teacher 1. Yeah, same sad sila perception nga base na typo ra. So dako-dako na jud chance nga sakto jud ito nga answer nato nga 3/5. So si teacher 3 niingon sad siya 6 man ang dili red. Then 10 sila tanan. Not red man, so 6 over 10 or 3/5. So kani silang tulo ka teachers ni coincide ilang answer, puro sila parehas og answer. Then na ang duha ka teacher niingon nga basin na typo ra. So dako sa possibilities nga na typo ra kay ang question baya didto is stick ya. At the end nahimo siyang ball. So nasa siya possibilities nga na typo ra gyud. So mao to nga nakaingon ko nga murag dako jud ang puruhan nga sakto jud ang answer nako nga 3/5. But wala gyapon ko nihunong, nag-search ko sa YouTube og mga videos nga about complement rule og videos nga susama gyapon ato nga problem. So tan-aw nato to nga videos. So let's play it here.
Consider this example. When a single pair of six-sided billion, find the probability that A, the number 3 is wrong, and B, a number other than 3 is wrong. The outcome for the die has 6 possibilities, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The probability of being 3 is going to be 1 chance of being 3 out of 6. So the probability of 3 is 1/6. The probability of a number other than 3 would be, we'd have to count the number of favorable outcomes. Everything except for 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, or 5. So we would divide 5 by 6 to get the probability. There's a relationship. Spot it? To understand the relationship, you must understand the probability of probability that people Sure. We found that 5/6 is the probability of not hitting 5/6 is equal to 1 minus 1. These relationships can also be rearranged to say the probability of the player or probability.
Let's have our second video.
Probability of randomly picking up. Question here is a band contains 5 and what is the probability of not picking
Not picking bubble.
not picking up not right? That is the question mark. Let's start with making that diagram. Normally, red box we have 5. Let's randomly put 5. Not 5. How many more? Now we're back. Then there are we have in all how many we have? All have 5 plus 2. That that happens to be something from that. Probability of picking one of these is what? Come on. One of these one of these. Now right, but sort of that one. So we know that we can find solution to this question. The minimum here will be 5,000 of not being 1 minus right plus total something on that is 100
That's it, guys. So, wala ko'y theorems. So, mao to siya ako ang mga supports nga mga videos and mga na-search na ako sa Chrome o sa mga teachers nga akong gipangutana. So, thank you so much for watching and for listening. And I'm not an expert to this, so I'm still open for corrections and suggestions. So, thank you so much, everyone. God bless and keep safe all the time. Bye.